Caitlin, and this week on Things to Bake, I am making banana bread. The ingredients you will need are 2 medium ripe bananas mashed, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 large eggs, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease your baking pan. I also like to put a little bit of parchment in the bottom after it's greased, just as a little extra precaution. First step is to lightly beat your eggs. To the beaten eggs, you're gonna add your mashed banana, maple syrup, brown sugar, and yogurt. Mix all that together. In a separate bowl, mix together your flour, salt, and baking soda. And add that to your wet ingredients. Once that's all mixed together, you can go ahead and put in some add-ins if you wanted to, maybe some chopped walnuts or some chocolate chips. I'm just sticking with plain because I'm not actually making this for myself, and I'm not sure who likes what and who's allergic to what, so I'm just gonna stick with plain. But if I was making it for me, I'd add some chocolate chips. Put your batter into the bread pan. Make sure to spread it out evenly. We're putting it in the oven. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes and then check with a toothpick to make sure that it's done. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good banana bread. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes and then slice it into 8 pieces and enjoy. That's pretty good. I didn't think it would taste as good because there's no butter in it. I like that.